Hey, what is going on, guys? So I have my Samsung Galaxy Note 9 here versus my Canon M50 here. Now I'm going to set everything to automatic. There's going to be no editing whatsoever. This is going to be a 1080p at 60 frames per second. Take note, the M50, I have the stock 15 to 45 millimeter stock lens. And I'm going to go ahead and record in daylight as well as in a low light situation at nighttime. Also with the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, I'm going to be recording the video on the back side, not the selfie side. So without further ado, let's get to business. All right, so let me just point out myself first. Let me turn around here. You can see the waterfall over here. Look at the video stabilization between these two as well. I got the sun pointing directly at me, which is right about there, as you can see. And let me go ahead and just walk a little bit here. Move on down here. And now let me go ahead and show you more of the waterfall here. Let me flip this viewfinder on the M50. All right, take a look at this here. Let me go ahead and go up a little bit closer. Now you can look past the waterfall. I mean, definitely the M50 is going to have better dynamic range. If you look, compare the two here. And now let me walk into like some shade here. And we'll take a look at the color of the grass. Take a look at the contrast, the saturation between both devices here. And now let me go ahead and creep on back here into the sunlight. And we'll look down here. Move on over a little bit. And let me do this too. Let me go ahead and zoom in. Okay, so so they're setting up for some kind of concert here. Let me go ahead and zoom in all the way with my M50 first. In. All the way in right there. Now let me go on to my Note 9. Oh wow, okay, well obviously the Note 9 goes 10x zoom, so it goes a lot more. Let me try to make this like an even playing field here. Alright, so that looks about even now. And again, I'm all the way zoomed in on my M50 with the stock 15 to 45 millimeter lens. Let me go ahead and zoom back out now. And now the Note 9. Oh, there we go, back to 1x. Go ahead and move back over here. Show you guys the view from over here. All right, well, let's go ahead and move on to the low light situation. All right, so it's nighttime here. We're under low light setting here. And you can see the cars driving by here. Let me show you the moon too. Let me go ahead and move up here. Now, if you look at the moon here, look right below it, we can kind of see that one little star. I can see it on the Note 9 and the Canon M50. All right, so let me go ahead and move on over here. And you can see that there are some park lights on, but you can see down here, actually, it's pretty dark here. Let me go ahead and kind of move down to the grass here, like in the dark. And then we'll move into a little bit of light here. And we're going to go ahead and move over here. Let me go ahead and walk a little bit here. Let me go ahead and turn this around. Okay, so I have like a park light here, and there's a street light. well, right behind me. Let me go ahead and walk on over here. Keep looking at both devices simultaneously. Okay, now I'm in, it's pretty dark here. I would think that the Note 9 is probably pretty grainy, which, I mean, just like all phones. Not sure about the M9. Let me go ahead and walk out now. And I'm about to hit this street light, or this park light right onto my face. Boom. Now it's hitting me directly in the face. This light right there. And we'll go ahead and walk over here. Let me show you some of the leaves down here. You can see the color difference between the two. We'll take a look at this metal pole. Right here. And we'll go under this tree right here. We'll take a look at, see if you can see the grooves of the bark and all. And let me move over here where it's even darker. Okay, this might be too dark. I don't think you're going to be able to see anything. But right here in front of me is another, it's a huge tree branch right now. Not sure if you can see that. We'll look over here now. You can see way up there there's somebody walking their dog all the way over there. And let's go ahead and move on over here. Now this area right here is really dark. There's no light hitting it right here. Let me go ahead and look at this trash can right here. And there you guys go. Guys, let me know which device, the M50 or the Galaxy Note 9 smartphone versus an actual camera, which one has better overall video quality. I mean, it's probably going to be by far the M50, but yet you have to look at the dynamic range as well. But I think overall the Note 9 is still a pretty good freaking camera if you don't have an actual real camera with you. So that's pretty much it. Guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.